Welcome back guys, continuing with the reviews of the Majority Wireless earbud range, we'll be back to check out their True One TWS True Wireless earbuds. So without any further ado, let's get into it. In the box, you'll find a USB-C charging cable, some extra different sized tips, and the earbuds themselves located in the charging case. On top is the Majority logo with the charging port located on the side, as well as the indicator light located at the front. These are lightweight and seem well built. They have a sleek modern design that sports Bluetooth 5.3, touch control and microphone for crystal clear calls. These come in two colours, you can get black and white, which I think you'll be happy with either as both look great. Majority specialise in budget audio. For such a great price you'll be pleasantly surprised. On day of recording these are currently only $29.95. I found they fitted in comfortably, and once in, they allowed for lots of movement. The sound is what I've come to expect from Majority. Clear, good bass and all around excellent stereo sound. These will give you 30 hours playback. With fast charge you can get an extra 2 hours on a 30-minute charge. Plus they are IPX Waterproof, perfect to wear in any environment. So thanks again to Majority for sending these out, and be sure to keep an eye out for more upcoming Majority earbud reviews. And as always, please do me a favour and like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.